Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading Bitcoin Miner and confirming your avatar and inventory are accessible. Once done, move the exact items you plan to trade into your active inventory slot and open the trade window. You should state your desired ratio before offering. This prevents impulsive swaps. Make sure to check item rarity and any in-game price tags. These influence perceived value. If you're using currency, place it in the trade slot first, so offers match your intent and speed the negotiation. You now craft the offer, drag items and currency into the trade pane, and verbally summarize terms in chat so there's no confusion. Once a counterparty responds, compare both inventories line by line and verify levels, skins, and limited tags. These alter worth significantly. If you expect adjustments, pause and request the exact change. Don't accept partial promises. After both agree, press the confirm buttons promptly. Delays can void deals or invite scams, so act decisively. You finish by confirming the trade and immediately capturing screenshots of the completed transaction for records. Once done, verify items landed in your inventory and that no unexpected changes occurred. If something goes wrong, first check your connection and the game's server status, then relaunch and resync inventory before contacting support. If you suspect fraud, document evidence, report the user to Roblox and block them. This both protects you and helps prevent future incidents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.